Once again, welcome all of you. Today we session discuss about the practical aspect starting how to start on packet tracer, and today's session we just discussion about how to selection of the devices and what types of cable required. So now without delay, just start. I know कि hopefully कि everyone installed the packet tracer on your computer lab, either laptop, and how to work start. So just open the packet tracer. I sharing my screen for all of you. When this open this packet tracer, to look like on your screen, and in this case, when first time you are installing and first time working with this packet tracer, so I request to all of you first minimum. I sharing the you are not Sheikh Samir in any group. Okay. So I sharing WhatsApp group. Are you not present in the WhatsApp group? I sharing the link in the WhatsApp group. You send me personally WhatsApp to my number. Okay. So I say share one link and then we installed. Okay, don't problem. Just to today watch and after installation this software, after the session, my session, we try. Okay. So don't worry. Today is not too high, too much going regarding this packet tracer software. Just look, see and listen. Okay. So now just without delay start. When first time, keep in the mind when first time this software installed on your PC. Uh, Open first time, to definitely go to the file, edit an option, and go to the preference. One pop-up screen will be open, and here by default this always show port level unchecked. So you just click on the check. Okay, and cross. Okay. Now here routers is click on this router. If my mouse move different types of devices available on this packet tracer, this is the router, this is the switch. So near here you can also see your you move your mouse cursor any devices, so there what is the such types of symbol or devices you can see in this screen. Okay, also right. So just I click on the router. Here different types of router is available. So always keep in the mind. Basically, this is the packet tracer, and this packet tracer provided by the Cisco company. Cisco company is the most popular networking devices in the world, like Microsoft Office in the software operating system. Same manner in the network devices in the whole world, Cisco is the most very good hold, and upcoming till time a lot of different devices या company is available, but overall you can say कि Cisco is the very basic and most popular. So yeah, basically this simulator is, so never company provided 100% foolproof of yeah, facilities in the simulator. So he just provided below rank of software, but for learning purpose, it is sufficient. Okay. So now in this router, a lot of version is available. All router is the same, but due to the version, like when you purchasing any scooty, bike, so there is a 100 cc, ACCC, yeah, old version, new version, same in the computer. Earlier platinum, then come become I1, I2, I3, I4. So same manner, but purpose are all and every device is same. So in this my packet tracer, minimum useful router is 2811 series. Below 2811 series is not useful here. So keep in the mind, keep our here our all training purpose. Uh, More than you can take router more than 2811 series. Okay, first thing. So here just I click how to just this you can see my mouse. So my this just normal condition. If you want write anything, just press here. Okay. So now select normal condition and just go to the any devices. So I just select 2811. So I have my free hand. and press any location. So I just press here, okay. And here router 0, just I click in the router 0 where is writing and remove this. And just you think it's such types of router available in your college campus. Yesterday we discussed different types of router. So customer is router is required any campus, any offices. If you want a complete package of internet Wi-Fi solution in your campus. Okay, so this is the LTTC support, LTTC campus. If I go for internet fully LTTC campus for Wi-Fi and internet, so definitely one router is required, and this router is customer is types of router. So here as per availability, we just do a double one take router here and put here and rename as per our requirement. And again one more same router we can take and again select. Yesterday we discussed. Yeah, this is a yesterday we discussed there are three types of router. Okay, this is the main router, this is the core router, and second is the all core router. Basically, this is the national router, and this is also known as NIB2. NIB1 old telephone line internet. Okay, but after Sam Petroda already discussed yesterday, suggestion of him, Indian government stabilized new types of network in the today scenario and use of the router. So he they all are use three categories of router. One router is a very high capacity. This is the router in the main location of the in India. You can see on screen Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and Kolkata. And this is the common for all company as per government policy. It may be possible that some PPP model, PPP, public-private partnership model may be applicable to some router handled by the private organization, but overall monitoring of the national router is government of India by default currently BSNL. Okay. Then become second types of router. This is known as ISP router. This is the PE router. This is the ISP router. What is meaning of ISP? Internet Service Provider. So this is the basically Reliance, Tata, BSNL, MTNL as the ISP. Okay. And in your college campus, another types of router used, that is the customer edge router, and then distribution of the different types of cabling. Okay. So now come back my PPT. Yes. So this is the customer edge router. This is the PE router because you are all showing in the screen. This is a PE. Okay. P router, that's the customer edge. Okay. So this ISP router. Okay, such types of customer. Now, just modify this. This is a PE router. And you can say this another name of this router is the ISP router, and this is the P router. Okay, and this is a you can say because here we discuss LTTC campus, so that is the BSNL, ISP BSNL. Okay, so in your college campus, if definitely every all are studying somewhere in your college, so your college provided internet through in hostel Wi-Fi and their employees. So definitely one router will be there. This is the customer edge router. Okay, and they will connected to the ISP router. Connection may be taken in the local level, either BSNL, either Reliance, either other company. No bar, no condition ki you go for the BSNL. By default, maximum line, lease line. This is also known as the this connectivity is the lease line in the BSNL. In the south of India, mostly connection you can say more than 70% connection in the South India via optical fiber help of optical. This is the BSNL. Okay. In the north area is also mostly around 60%, around 50 to 60% in India. North India is also. Now we just discuss about this now this router connected to the switch. Okay, so same manner I just go to the manufacturing for the this network. Okay, so again come back. I just take the selection here switches, click on switch. You can take first number of switch here, a lot of switch. All are switch you can take, no problem, but you are first time here going for the practical session, so definitely you follow me. So I just select first number of switch and put here, and you can take another more switch, just one more switch and put here. Okay, and just move down here, all router is okay. And I also save this, save as. You also must be saved, because tomorrow again not repeat this, such types of activities. I repeat, I go for next activity. Okay. I, okay. First, I'm saving this project, because tomorrow and forward on onward, we can't repeat this types of activities again. So definitely, I request to you, if you are all doing with me, so you are also saving this project. And next time, if you are not doing today, so kindly visit my this video recording and make it and ready for the next step for tomorrow onward. Okay. So I now just click here, save as. I make one and go to desktop. I make one folder for all of you saving. This is 31 August, your group name. Okay, I'm good. I write here day one. This is the first day practical session. I write here day one. Okay, now I'm also saving in time to time. And now I take devices. Just click on the computer. This is an below side you can see on the screen. Computer. You can select computer, one computer, two computer, yeah, laptop, one more. And your college campus, there are maximum devices also connected Wi-Fi. So I just select one Wi-Fi is also. This is the router. This is a switch, and then further is hub, and finally go to the wireless. Click on the wireless. This is the access point, and click the access point. Put on this. This is the Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi devices, how to connect it by the wireless devices, smart devices. So again, click on the computer part, and you have here a lot of devices. Can see here, you can see. So just move here, and here is the wireless tablet. I put here tablet. I put a smart devices. Okay, because in this Wi-Fi there is no any wireless security, so this may be automatically connected. You can see here. Okay, if you go to the Wi-Fi, you make some security. So click on the Wi-Fi, because in the real time and real life, no Wi-Fi will be open. It must have some mechanism, then you can connect. Okay. So now go to the config, and go to the port 0. This is the port 0 means this connectivity. So I guess port 1. If you want your Wi-Fi, which name show everyone in the Wi-Fi SSID, so you can put here any name. I just put LTTC, and password. I just click on password. Uh, because it's a 10 hexa digit, so I just put ABCDE 1 2. How to make Wi-Fi here? I just explain here again. Repeat for because I think due to the network it will be breaking. So I just click just now. I just click in access point. Go to the port 1, and SSID change. This SSID will be showing every devices by the if they want to connect nearby Wi-Fi, and go to the different types of password facilities is available. So just I taken here traditional and most popular password authentication scheme. This is a WEP, and just click, and our encryption type here showing the 10 digit of hexadecimal. So I write 10 digit password here and close. So now if I want to connect again this laptop to this access point Wi-Fi, click on this, go to the config, and go to the wireless, and SSID. This SSID of this Wi-Fi is the ALTTC. I just put ALTTC. WEP, I password again 1 BBCD 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and just close. So you can see ki after putting this password, my this tablet will be connected. So same manner you connect this mobile phone also. This is a smart mobile phone, and stop. and go to the config and wireless, and here WEP. W key is this password. Again here same manner, first SSID change. First will be change SSID, ALTTC. Then WP key with the A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now close. So same manner, this is also connected. Okay. So now this is a save. Till time we discuss how to selection of the devices in packet tracer, and just try to make one network like this PPT. Are you showing this PPT? I want to develop this section in the local campus. What is the meaning of the LAN? Already discussed yesterday. Meaning of the LAN is very simple. Router one port, cover up to distance doesn't matter. This is known as the one LAN. In the same router, if put another port, I just again repeat here. This is the one LAN already discussed. In the same router, if I put another cable, so this is a different LAN. Okay, and there two different LAN is known as the WAN. In the whole world, there are only in the practical time, the practical life, only two types of area network. One is the LAN, another is the WAN. Other man can pan san, it is only book knowledge. Okay, in the practically this is not available. Okay, so now I can come back my packet tracer software. So this is selection and device. Now next question is that how to connect these devices. Okay, so my next devices, this is a LAN cable. Okay, so all earlier if we go for the internet connection, already discussed from one country to another country, one location to another location. Optical fiber is the most popular media. Same manner, if anybody asks to all of you, if for internet purpose, which types of cable, yeah, which cable is most popular cable and most useful cable? So definitely this is the LAN cable. What is the LAN cable? I just help of the site show to you. LAN cable. I hopefully you all know. This is a LAN cable I showing for all of you. What is the LAN? These all are the LAN cable. Okay. Look here, all of this cable. So this is a very important cable and most important cable. And in the whole world, either doesn't matter you are connected through the Wi-Fi, either optical fiber, but this is a very major role play. Uh, any for any internet, definitely this will be must required. So this is known as the LAN cable. So types of LAN cable. I now discuss LAN cable. How many wires in this LAN cable? In the market, if you are going to the purchase any LAN cable, so you can market Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, and today one more Cat 8 cable. Cat means category 8, but all are the LAN cable. Okay. Cat 5 cable earlier, what is difference between this cable? This cable, just very simple manner. If I put these all cable in your hand and ask which cable, please check out and identify which cable is Cat 5, which cable is Cat 6, which cable is Cat 7 and 8. So it is not easy to identify. I just so again come back here. I just asked this cable is the Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, Cat 8. Because look wise, all cable are the same. You not easily identify look wise, yeah, by hand. This cable are the Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7. Okay. So all cable doesn't matter. Cat 5, Cat 6, all are the same. But why category different? We discuss now. So, but next is look wise, all cable is the same and same purpose, same location. You can all are use here. Okay. So either doesn't matter Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7. All cable, how many wire? All cable have 8 wire. So I just write here 8 wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These all cable is the 8 cable. Okay. And numbering from Doesn't matter if you are going to the books, Google search, yeah, any other manner want to learn discussion about this cable. So definitely they all is planned by color method, color scheme. But I here discuss these all cable in the real structure. So doesn't matter what color of this cable, just remove all cable and numbering from left hand side to right hand side. This is the one number. You just put 1, 2, 3, numbering 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't matter what is the cable. And after numbering, you can easy to plan keep, because these all are the electrical cable, electronics cable. So definitely working in pair. So there is a 4 pair. So first and 2 pair is say 1 pair is considered, and this pair is known as trans pair, transmitter pair. Okay. And third and 6 is receive pair. 7 and 8, this is known as PoE, power of Ethernet. I will discuss what is this. This is meaning of the PoE is the power of Ethernet. This is the power of Ethernet. Okay. And 4 and 5, one more cable. This is the 4 and 5. Okay. This is the known as dummy pair. So there is a 4 pair, doesn't matter what is the color cable. I just explain fully practical manner. If you are go to the Google search or any books handout, so definitely they all explain in the color scheme and all are confused. So I here now discuss very practical manner. Doesn't matter what is the color, you just remove every cable and numbering of cable from left hand side to right hand side. And after the numbering, which pair is known as what purpose? So first pair 1 and 2, this is the trans pair. Second pair is the 3 and 6. This is the receive pair. Third pair is the 4, 5. This is the dummy pair. And 7, 8. This is the power of Ethernet. Okay. So after numbering requirement of the cable connection. Yes. This is the connector. This connector is the known as the LAN connector. Okay. This I8 pair source type. So LAN connector, I again here. LAN. Yeah, RJ45. Okay. Same name. Doesn't confuse. All are the same name. Okay. So this is a LAN connector, RJ45. This is LAN photocap. Okay. This LAN cable. Just I here, wait, nice. Okay. So here are just cable, all 8 cable, just numbering, doesn't color matter. Okay. One more very clear, I think it's okay, no problem. It's okay. Yeah. Very sure. Yeah. Okay. So this cable just okay now 1 to 8 cable. Okay. Add pair. This is RJ45 connector. This connector is RJ45. Okay. Now come back. If one side 1 to 4 in the same, I just put in the RJ45 connector 1 to 8. Okay. Another side length of doesn't matter. All cable either cat 5 to cat 6. Practical length all cable is the 90 meter. Not I discuss here books answer and theory answer. It is the practical answer in the field. If you are using the LAN cable, so maximum length, practical length is the 90 meter. Keep in the mind. Okay. So below 90 meter, one side you connected 1 to 8, another side again same 1, 2, 3. You doesn't change. Same manner, another side RJ45 LAN connector select, and same manner you specification decided here. So these such types of cable is known as straight line cable. Straight line cable. This is the straight line cable. Okay. If another side, one side 1 to 8, another side we just replace 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So such types of cable is known as roll over. Sometimes this is the VGA. Sometimes this is the console cable. Don't go to the name. All cable are the same. name will be different, rollover, console and BGA cable. All three cable are the same purpose. All are aware about the BGA cable. What is the BGA cable? All are very well aware. BGA cable from the local desktop computer, either projector, your computer monitor connected to the CPU. For which cable? This is the BGA cable. So that cable is the same. But why name given BGA? Because connector both in the like male and female type. Because normal ordinary people easily identify that this is the BDA cable. But technically here very simple. Here this specification of this cable as per my discussion is very same. Okay, similar. Rollover, both side line connector. Console. No, cross cable no. I will discuss cross cable. Okay. This is a rollover, BGA and console. Now another side. Next is the rollover. Console, I rollover already console. This is a console cable. You can see on the screen. So name will be different. Why give the name of the console cable? One side the male type, another side the female type. RJ45. Purpose of a rollover, both sides RJ45. Console, one side this and other side. And BGA cable, both side male female type. So name will be different due to the connector. But basic concept, either rollover, either BGA cable, yeah, either all are the same. Yes, crossover will be different. Swastik is just wait now. Okay, crossover will be different cable. I discuss. First one straight, another discuss the rollover cable. Okay. What purpose of the BGA cable? Again, I repeat one single line. What is the purpose of the BGA cable? Only this cable is not used for the communication. This cable is used for the display purpose, login purpose. I want do any my computer screen, anything type. So this is the help of the BGA cable. Everything you can see on screen. Okay. So this is not used for the communication. This is the display. You can say login. You can say configuration. It is okay. Okay. Now third types of cable. Only trans and receive will be interchanged. Trans and receive will be interchanged. 1, 2. It may be 3 and 6 and 3, 1, 4, 5 remain same location, don't change. 6 is 2 and 7, 8 remain. So just trans and receive will be interchanged. One side 1 to 8, another. So such types of cable is known as the crossover line cable. Okay. So now we have 3 types of line cable: straight, crossover, rollover, and BGA different type. So for communication purpose, only crossover and another is the straight cable may be used. Okay. So now very clear. If you want computer to computer for communication purpose, if you want switch to switch for communication purpose, okay, in this case required either switch straight cable, either crossover cable. Now question is that where crossover cable used, where straight cable used? Answer is very simple. If both end, now to clear this screen, if the both end computer to computer, I want to connect computer to computer for communication purpose. I want to switch connection. I want to router connection. And if I want to switch and computer want to communicate with, okay. So if devices, again I repeat, and keep in the mind, if devices both in the similar, then will be crossover. Computer the crossover. Okay. If devices are different, switch to computer. This is straight cable. Okay. So which types of cable? Now we have 2 types of communication cable. One is the crossover, another is the straight cable. Where such cable are used if devices are the different. In this case, cross straight cable. If devices similar, so crossover cable. Okay, so now just go the practical again here on the packet tracer. Now if I want to router for communication purpose, so now connection, which types of cable required? Our discussion, crossover cable. So just now go here, router, switch, does, and this is electricity. Just click different types of cable you can see here. So now just my move first is automatic. Just here explanation is also of cable, but symbol. Second is the console. Third is straight. Third is cross. So I just click on the cross and click on the router. Here 2-port fast Ethernet for the communication purpose. Okay. So I just select FA 0/0 and put another side 0/0. Okay. And this router to the switch different devices. In this case, straight cable. Now this is a straight cable. Click here. Now another port FA01. In the switch, you can put any location, any port, doesn't matter. I press. Okay. Again, switch to switch connection, crossover. 0 to just switch. Okay. Switch to access point, different device. Okay. Wi-Fi connect to straight cable. This is connect straight cable. And switch to computer, different device, straight cable. In the computer, this is a fast Ethernet. What is a fast Ethernet? Discuss next class I will. And this connect. Okay. So this is the connection. I saving this project for today. Please request to all of you, please select the devices and connect each and every one. Try. If any problem, tomorrow I repeat the 5 minutes. Sorry, tomorrow I am busy with another function. So tomorrow is no college. Day after tomorrow, I again come back and further practical session going on. If any problem, you can discuss and send in the groups. Okay. Any doubt, any question, please ask me. Otherwise, session is over now for today. Okay. Thank you for all of you joining us, and please request to make it. And again, day after tomorrow, tomorrow is no class. Okay. Thank you.